You can join our referral program. Just refer others to earn and withdraw money. Click here to register your account and refer others. Earn and withdraw without investment. Okay, this is my referral link. As you will see here, S stands for Sol, M stands for Max, G stands for Global. solmaxglobal.link. This is my username. Okay, just click here to register your account and join our professional team.
Hello and welcome each and every one of you. Today I am going to show you the very important update of solmaxglobal.com. Okay, old back office of igniter100. Okay, I have already opened this website and this is my username and password. Just I am typing screen captcha. First log in it. Okay, after login, see its new update. Okay, attention all my old team of solmaxglobal.com and igniter100. Okay, what's the update? As you will see here, this is my I100 package plan, old package plan, old back office. Okay, for example, I am clicking here I100 plan. Click. Okay, this is the last option. Click here. After clicking here, as you will see here, just click here next. After clicking next, here is 3 options. Okay, as you will see here, here is 3 options. Okay, first option is loyalty conversion, second option is conversion, okay, and third option is option for listing procedure. What is this? Okay, 3 option. First option is that if you click here first option and click next, okay, this option convert, okay, your old back office, it's convert loyalty points, and then you will get your daily ROI profits and you can withdraw them according to, okay, old back office. And second option, okay, your I100 convert to SMG tokens, but SMG token price is very low. Okay, so I don't suggest you click this option. And third option is what? Okay, third option is what? This option. And this option is very long term, okay, project, long term profits. Maybe it takes 1 to 4 years. Okay, from 1 year to 4 years. It's very long project. Okay, if you agree this option, you can check this option. Okay, otherwise, in my opinion, this option is best. No, loyalty conversion. Okay, so I am converting my, okay, old back office to this option. Okay, which option? This option. Okay, just click here. Check this option. After checking this option, as you will see here is showing you regular packages. My old package plan is what, 100 pounds. It's not dollar, 100 pounds. Okay, old back office I100. Portfolio paid 55.67. Okay, other loyalty available 69.33 pounds. Okay, as you will see here, this is my loyalty account balance. Okay, loyalty available is 69.33. Portfolio already paid. Here is 3 options, as you will see here. Okay, I am telling you these options. Okay, then click here to next. Okay, after clicking next, this screen will appear. Okay, confirm your I100 plan loyalty conversion. Okay, now click here to submit it. Okay, please type your transaction password to confirm your conversion option. Okay, type your transaction password here. Okay, click here to confirm. Okay, as you will see here is a message: success, your I100 application has been initiated. Okay, as you will see here, message you will get successful, and here is showing you okay, here is also showing you. Okay, as you will see here application reference, application type loyalty, application status in process, and today's date, 4th September 2021. In this way, okay, you can apply, okay, and convert your old back office I100, okay, loyalty, okay, points and daily ROI profits. After that you can withdraw these profits. Okay, I hope you will understand everything about i100.com. okay, old back office. Attention my old team members. Okay, 3 options, be careful. Okay, check. Okay, first option, loyalty conversion, then will submit and complete your process in this way, application process. Okay, now, okay, if I am clicking on dashboard, just click here to dashboard. Okay, if I am clicking here dashboard, Okay, after clicking dashboard, this screen will appear. As you will see here, here is before this option is empty. Now it's showing here I-100 plan in process today's date. Okay, it is in process. Okay, in this way your I-100 plan will be completed. And here is showing package I-100 total 0 and saving 0 only, because it will be completed and is in process. Okay, God bless every one of you. Thanks.